Okay, welcome to the tutorial on importing 2D artwork. In this tutorial we're going to go through the manual import of a single image and setting that image up, and the import of a folder of images. Okay, so let's move right ahead. The first thing we want to do is make sure we have our 2D artwork tab enabled, and then click import and basically navigate to wherever the folder is that you have your images in. Now this may not come up on the screen capture, but what should come up is the next part of it. So there you go, I've selected an image and there's my image. Now what I'm going to do is manually set its height and width. Now the height of this image is going to be 1536 millimeters, and the width of the image will be 2304 millimeters. So there it is, that's already created. Now even though we'll deal with this in another tutorial, let's just quickly see what happens when we decide we want to place that artwork, and there it is to scale. So we'll remove that from there for now. So there you have how to import a single image, and you can go ahead and do that for as many images as you want. Alternatively, what you can do is just import a whole folder of images, and the way to do that is to click the imports folder, navigate to the folder that you want, and then select the very first image in the list and then just click open. And you'll see here that what's happening is that this is now starting to be populated. So now here we have our final list of images, and there they all are. And of course, because this is a manual import, we would then have to go through each image and add its correct dimensions. So again, in the case of this image, just to do it one more time, its height is 1536 as well, and its width is 2304 millimeters. So obviously this can be a tedious task, and a much better way to import all of your images along with any associated size information is to do it using the CSV import function, which we'll deal with in the CMS section. So that's how you import a series of artwork into Curator. And of course, if you've got a large list, what you can do is just collapse this down to the names of the artworks only. And that ends this tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll look at how to place 2D artwork on the walls.